Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the brightness on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first let's head over to the menu, and now in the menu let's go to preferences. Here we need to go to accessibility, and right here we will have the brightness. So as you guys can see, here is at max now. And now I'll change it, and now it's at the lowest setting. So let's just put it, let's say here. Now let's click on apply, and now those settings are configured. So now I'll show you the second way of doing that. So now I am at the website of the printer, and what we can do here is I'll log out first and show you guys how to get here. And select System Manager mode here. Now enter your remote UI access pin, and here click Login. Go to Settings and Registration. And now go to Accessibility Settings on the left side. Here we need to click on Edit. And here we can change the brightness, so it will automatically change whenever we press OK. Now the brightness has changed for me. And as you guys can see, let me show it to you guys. Now here we have the new brightness. As you guys can see, it still says -2, but whenever I click on it, it will be at max. As you guys can see, now we can apply it here, even though it was already applied. And that's basically how it works. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.